We spent the night in the Sandy Point Reserve Campground in Hay in New South Wales. Let's take a look around. There's a huge space that says it can fit 74 vans, so you'll probably always get a spot here. It's very clean flushing toilets, lots of bins for your rubbish, and it backs up onto this beautiful beach, as they call it. I definitely would not call it a beach. They've got tables, barbecues, shelter, some more bins, even looks like some PowerPoints here. There's lots of little shelters with tables and chairs. And I think this river is actually flooded at the moment. This is the Murrumbidgee, and it usually has a really big sandbank, but this time it doesn't because it's been flooded. So yeah, it's usually not this muddy, but yeah, at the moment they're just controlling the height of the river, and it's just a little bit high in this area at the moment. We did the beautiful 1 hour walk around the lake, which takes us around near the silo art as well, which is really cool. And yeah, this campsite is really great. It doesn't have a dump point or potable water, but in the town, like on the map, I'll show you in a second, the dump point really isn't far away, and neither is the water. You can get the free water at the information centre and hot showers for $2 from the information centre as well. It's a really great spot, really enjoy it. And I felt very safe at night as well, which you don't feel very many places, so highly recommend. Free campsite, 74 campsites permitted at one time, 72 hours maximum. On this sign up here, if you can see the big red dot in the top left hand corner, that's where the dump point is. And then this little red splotch just here, this is the campground here. So the dump point's only a couple of streets away, which is really great. And the information centre is just there in the centre of town, and that's where you can get potable water for your van. We love Hay. If you drive about 10 minutes out of Hay up to this Bullagal sunset viewing area, it is so good. It is amazing. Highly recommend doing that one. And I think they also said that this one here is a free swimming pool. Also a whole bunch of things to do. Did you enjoy Hay?
Enjoyed Hay.